event. It's basically our cloud solution provider roadshow, and it's organized by DigiGlobal. So I'm pretty impressed from all the arrangements because being an execution owner, the equipments that you have used, they are all latest, they are competitive. I see the same quality of equipment being used abroad. So very well executed, very smoothly executed. Thank you so much for that.
I think so far it has been an excellent experience. We've actually got more than what we expected. The arrangement is super modern. It is very fluid. A lot of people around to help. Very qualified team. And I think the experience, more than for Microsoft, is for our partners in the room. You'll need to ask them how was the day, but so far the day is looking great, and we're looking forward to collaborating with you in the future as well.
It was very good, honestly. I really like the setup, the screens, very set up nicely in a way that really engages the customers to look and to ask questions. So the vibe overall was very good.
So this was our first event with DigiGlobal, the CSP workshop that we did, and I must say it was a fantastic experience. Starting with the arrangements, as you can see, we were pleasantly surprised. I think the stage was set up in a way, the whole arrangement was done in a way that really facilitated our partners, and we've gotten some great comments. Partner knew where to sit, and I think seating was arranged in a way, everything was arranged in a way that just facilitated the whole event. And I rated like 10 out of 10. Great experience. I think this digital board that you set up was really engaging. I think normally audience would have to stretch their necks here and there to look at the presentation, but this really was there, so they can at the same time look at the presentation while also not get distracted from what the speaker was saying. And I think I was here presenting from the stage, so it really facilitated me in terms of showing the content and at the same time engaging the audience. So overall, really great event. Thank you very much.